Hello everyone. Welcome to the Blockchain News Club. Let's take a look at today's XRP updates. The price of XRP is almost at a critical horizontal support. XRP, the digital asset linked to Ripple Labs, is nearing its critical horizontal support level of 51 cents, a crucial level seen as a potential turning point for asset prices. This level, where a security's price halts and heads back up, suggests buyers are more willing to buy at that price point than to let it drop further. XRP's potential recovery is further bolstered by the 51-cent mark, which was a significant level after a positive July with the SEC ruling. However, the future of XRP's recovery depends on the performance of other altcoins, as it largely depends on the outcome of the SEC ruling. Investors are betting positively on XRP as volume jumps 40%. Trading volumes for XRP have seen a 40% increase in the last 24 hours, with 1.3 billion units swapped, amounting to $681 million. The XRP-USDT pair on top crypto exchange Binance accounts for the largest chunk of the total volume traded, amounting to $105 million. CoinGlass data reveals traders' current sentiment, with the cryptocurrency futures long/short ratio providing insight into their moods. Binance's XRP-USDT accounts had a positive long-short ratio of 3.17 in the last 24 hours, while the exchange's top trader positions had a long-short ratio of 1.09. These indicators suggest a bullish bias for traders on Binance, XRP's largest market at present. XRP has risen 0.48% in the last 24 hours to 50 cents, with a narrow price range. XRP is expected to make a move in the coming days, either to the upside or downside. On the upside, a break past the daily MA200 at 51 cents might spark a rise toward 55 cents, where XRP is expected to meet resistance. On the downside, if bears gain the advantage, support is envisaged near the 46-cent mark. Price prepares new move with 100 million XRP to Ripple. Crypto data tracker Whale Alert reports a significant move of 100 million XRP worth $49 million from an unknown wallet to Ripple in the last 24 hours. This move could be a wallet reshuffle or an OTC trade outside a traditional crypto exchange setting. XRP, the fifth largest cryptocurrency by market cap, is used by Ripple to move money across borders through its ODL service. Ripple Rebrands ODL service. Ripple's Vice President Emi Yoshikawa clarified the decision to consolidate ODL services under the moniker Ripple Payments. Ripple has removed the section about on-demand liquidity, a RippleNet product for seamless and low-cost cross-border remittances. The decision was made by Ripple's Vice President Emi Yoshikawa to consolidate ODL services under the term Ripple Payments. ODL mechanisms will continue to work as usual, and removing crypto-specific characteristics of services should be considered a trend in the transition from crypto-like jargon to more mainstream. Ripple Net's ODL leverages the XRP cryptocurrency as a bridge asset, providing secure, fast, and low-cost methods for cross-border remittances. Latin America and Asia Pacific are crucial regions for Ripple's ODL strategy. In 2023, more corridors were opened by SBI, Tranglo, and other Ripple counterparties. For some partners, using RippleNet's ODL marked the first step of their cryptocurrency journey. For instance, Ripple's long-term strategic partner Novati Group publicly released its one-to-one fiat-backed stablecoin, AUDD, using XRP Ledger as the technical basis. The Australian digital dollar by Novati Group is designed to offer a reliable on-chain stablecoin solution for the Australian market. Is BlackRock buying XRP? A rumor suggesting BlackRock is shifting its digital currency strategy from Bitcoin to XRP has sparked excitement among the XRP community. The rumor originated from a tweet from a fake news account, Wall Street Bulls, and was further amplified by a story on investing.com, which claimed BlackRock was re-evaluating its stance on Bitcoin in favor of XRP without citing any sources. The narrative was uncritically picked up by prominent accounts within the XRP community, adding fuel to the speculative fire. Some members of the crypto community, like Mason Versluis, have called for caution and urged investors to believe nothing until you see solid evidence. BlackRock has been making cautious strides into the cryptocurrency market, but there is no solid evidence to suggest it is shifting its focus from Bitcoin to XRP. The financial giant has submitted an application for a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, but this has faced delays from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Investors are riding a wave of optimism as XRP's trading volume surges by 40%, signaling a potential upward move on the horizon, with resistance at $0.554 and strong support at 46 cents. With its recent trading volume surge and positive market indicators, XRP appears poised for an imminent upward move, potentially reaching new heights in the near future. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for regular updates in the blockchain community.